YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Today I am going to be doing the unboxing for my NotPolish LuxePRO UV LED light. If you watched my unboxing for my NotPolish Mystery XL box yesterday, you know that I got this in there. So today I'll be doing that for you guys. So guys, while I'm actually doing the unboxing for this NotPolish LuxePRO rechargeable lamp, I did just want to come on and kind of give my perspective on the mystery boxes this year. Once again, if you did not see my unboxing for my NotPolish Mystery Box XL, please stop this video, go watch, just so you can see exactly everything that I got in it, and then come back to this video. But yes guys, I did not tell how exactly I felt about the NotPolish box in the previous video, so I figured I would do that today during the unboxing of their rechargeable lamp. Now, first thing I do want to say is I do not want to sound like I'm complaining at all whatsoever, because I definitely enjoyed my unboxing. I enjoyed seeing the products that I received, but I have to be quite honest, it wasn't much of a mystery. I only say that because watching a couple of other nail techs do their unboxing, I hadn't seen anyone do an unboxing on an XL, but I did see smalls, mediums, and larges, and I have to be quite honest, it kind of looked like everyone was getting the same products, and I do mean the very same products, meaning I understood that each box would kind of pretty much come with similar products, but what I didn't know is that, you know, we'd all get the same colors and shades of everything. So that was a little frustrating, because I was really hoping that there would be some mystery in the mystery box. But overall, I am pretty happy with everything that I got. Once again, I wanted the XL box because I wanted to make sure that I actually got me a NotPolish Pro lamp. I've been wanting it for a while, since they first announced it. So I'm very excited that I got that. I absolutely loved getting the NotPolish glitter liners. And I also enjoyed the very beautiful dapping dish, which you can also see in this video at the top left corner here. That was nice as well. And then I was more so happy to see that a lot of the acrylics I received, oh guys, and look, in this part you're gonna see me struggle. I was struggling trying to figure out how to get this plate in at the bottom. But yeah, so I was really happy with the products I got. I was really happy that I didn't get any repeat acrylics that I currently already have. As I mentioned in the previous video, 90% of my acrylic collection that I currently have is NotPolish, so I was really concerned about getting repeat colors. One thing I didn't like was the fact that I had a lot of spillage in my box. One of the polishes leaked, and it unfortunately leaked out and leaked over other products. One of the Dip It System refill bottles leaked and fused certain products to the box, which is why I had to also take some of the popcorn out in order to do the box unboxing and pull certain products off the box. But so yeah, I wasn't happy about the spillages and the leaks and certain damages that I had, or the repeat colors that I saw everyone getting in the matching lacquer and gel sets. Although they were beautiful, but once again, it just wasn't much of a mystery with some of the products. I was very happy to get my Milky White in the 16 ounce. But yeah, overall, I was definitely happy about it. I just hope that next year they really do more of a mystery with it and give everyone different shades of the products or different colors of the products. But yeah, it was definitely worth it to me. I would definitely participate again. I'm not sure if I will try to go for the XL box again, but I would definitely participate again. So just wanted to give my little piece on that.